Good morning, students. How's you all? I hope you are fabulous. Well, as we were going through the lesson from 9th standard science, which is man-made materials, we have gone through several topics like man-made material, then its uses, types of plastics, etc. Okay, so tell me one thing, if glass materials will be there or any crockery will be there like this cup, in which material this glass bottle and this cup will be uh, packed? They will be packed in a box, or they will be packed in anything which protects it from any physical injury, means it won't break. Which material is used for that? Yes, right, thermocol. So this is a thermocol sheet. It will be packed from all the sides to this glass bottle or anything else which is breakable. It protects it from breaking. So for that purpose, to learn more about this thermocol, today we will learn about nothing but thermocol. Okay, so our subtopic is thermocol. So I will explain you this with the help of a PPT. You focus on that.
Usually, the wrapping is made up of thermocol. As we see, many breakable materials are packed inside the thermocol to prevent it from breaking. Nowadays, the plates we used in mass fests are also made up of thermocol, as you can see in the figure. Thermocol is a form of a complex material called polystyrene. Polystyrene in this figure you can see on the left hand side. It transforms into liquid state on heating at more than 100 degrees Celsius of temperature and returns to solid state on cooling. Due to this, we can give any desired shape to it. Being a good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate items. As you can see in the figure, there are packing boxes.
But this thermocol is not a biodegradable substance. As plastic was not biodegradable, this thermocol is also non-biodegradable substance or material, you can say. So after burning or after the excessive use of this thermocol, what happens?
So for this purpose, we will see adverse effects of excessive use of thermocol on environment and human. The first one is thermocol is a carcinogenic material. Carcinogenic means it causes cancer. Being a carcinogenic ingredient in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for long duration may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. The second one adverse effect is it is non-biodegradable. We have already seen the definition of non-biodegradable substances, which means which are not degraded by natural system or by nature. Hence, many people opt for destroying it by burning. We also do this process. Means if thermocol is left over there, we just burn it. However, it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in the atmosphere. As we know that when we burn the thermocol, several hazardous gases are liberated through it and which are poisonous to our health. Okay, so that's why as it is non-biodegradable, after burning also it is hazardous. The third is it dissolves in food. In mass gatherings like marriage ceremonies, receptions, birthday parties, etc., plates and cups used to offer the food, water, tea are made up of thermocol. But as we know, they are use and throw kind of material, but they are harmful for our health. It affects our health very badly. If the food kept in thermocol is reheated, means if it is heated again and again, the styrene may dissolve in that food. Styrene, as we know that in the first point we have seen, it is carcinogenic material. Due to this also there is a possibility of health problems. Means cancer can cause because of this thermocol. The fourth one is effect on persons working in thermocol factory. Persons staying in contact with thermocol for long term, means for long time, may develop the problem of eyes, respiratory system, skin diseases, digestive diseases, etc. Also, if the workers in that factory are pregnant women, they may face the miscarriage. Liquid styrene may cause skin burns. These were the four adverse effects of excessive use of thermocol on environment and human. So in this lecture we have seen what is thermocol, its melting and cooling points, as well as we have seen what are the adverse effects of excessive use of thermocol on environment as well as on human beings. This was all about today's subtopic. The last part is about homework. You have to write what is thermocol and write the adverse effects of it on environment and human health. Thank you.